Tape it. Right now we're getting ready to do the foam closure and the ridge cap. Ridge cap is 11 inches wide normally. You can get it made any size you want, just like any metal. You can get it made. So, in order to keep the foam underneath, that is to keep driving rain and wind blowing underneath that ridge cap, we're going to be at 5 inches. So we made a mark at 5 on both sides, all the way down. We're going to pop a line, and then we're going to put the foam down. Then we'll come back and put the ridge cap and screw it to every other rib. Just like that. We'll show you. These, you can ask for them glued or unglued. The unglued ones would be if you wanted to put your ridge cap in, then slide it down. These are glued so you can stick them in place. Chalk lines there. And then we go with it. If you can't see your chalk line, which you're starting to see, you might want to measure. Make sure you're 5 inches from the feet. It's a male-female situation, and they're made to just go right over top of the ribs. Okay? In this case, the road's most visibility, you're not going to get much visibility from the back. So we're going to run this way, and that means the lap goes over this way. So there won't be any gaps showing from the road. It'll be one smooth piece. In the habit, you need to get in the habit of putting the screw at one end, checking your center, screw on the other end, then go back and fill it in. Because if you try to just go walk it along, the odds are you're going to twist it one way or the other. So just get one on each end, and then we lap it over, and then screw it through it.